Okay, Year 1. Last week we learnt about how Christian families celebrate the birth of a new baby by having a special ceremony called a baptism. This week we're going to learn about how Sikh families celebrate the birth of a new baby. First of all, I'd like you to think about your own name. Do you know who chose your name? Do you know why that name was chosen for you? Does your name mean anything? Sikh families have help choosing their baby name, and this takes place in a special ceremony called Naam Karan. After you have watched the special video that I've attached to Google Classroom, you can see if you can make your own name banner. You can paint your name or draw your name and decorate it however you like. You could use rainbow colours, sparkly stars, stickers. It's up to you. Remember to draw the letters in your name nice and big so you have space to colour them in.